Hey guys, how you doing? Just back with another video, and today I'm doing a kind of part 2, but kind of like in conjunction with my cleaning the room videos. So I'm actually uploading these both, should be uploading them both at the same time. So if you resonate with this video and you're like, yeah man, this sounds pretty cool, I'm in the mood to do it, then I've done a clean your room with me type video, which should be live now. It's basically like, you know when girls do that get ready with me and some people do the study with me type thing, it's that but just cleaning your room instead. So yeah, that's that. In this video I thought let me just dive a bit deeper into why I think cleaning your room is important, and it's such a simple thing but a lot of us don't do it or take pride in it and stuff. So I thought let me just give my spiel on what I think about the matter and how beneficial it is for everyone to do. So you guys may have seen my video before where I was talking about leveling up and I was feeling really down. So on that same day, I cleaned my room, and when I tell you, bro, that the change it made for myself, like instantly, is mad. And it's like, you wouldn't think, right? Because it's like, okay, just cleaning your room, but it has such a big impact because it's kind of like, I like to see it as an extension of yourself. I know, I'm not trying to get too deep in it, but it really is. It's your environment. It's where you end up spending a lot of time. And so if it's clean, it kind of enables you to have a cleaner mindset as well and be able to think clearly. And I think it opens up room for being able to think a lot better and be able to focus on whatever it is you need to do rather than just kind of being in a place where everything is a bit like all over the place, and it's like it mirrors your mind. So if you're in an environment where it's clean and organized, then perhaps your mindset will then in turn be cleaner and clutter-free. And why I say our room specifically is because we spend a lot of our time here, especially, you know, off the back of the pandemic and stuff. We've been confined to these spaces. So it's where you're spending most of your time, right? And if you're spending most of your time in a place that is not ready to be worked in, then you're not going to be able to work or whatever it is that you need to be doing. Now, moving away from that point as well, there are a lot of things in our lives that we're not able to take control of, and you know, we're presented with a lot of sad things that we hear on the news, etc. all the time. I know that a lot of the time we can see those things and think, okay, well, there's not much I can really do. I mean, what can I do? I can maybe protest a little bit, all of that. But immediate actions, there's not much your actions will be able to have on the impact on those sort of things. A lot of things are out of our control. So for example, even if you're applying to a job and you don't hear back, there's not much you can do other than pester them and say, hey man, like, answer my email, or did you not get my application? Come on, right? Cleaning your room is one of the few areas that you actually can take control of in your life and have immediate benefits to it, keeping it clean. You're able to look around your room and pick up whatever it is off the floor and turn it into a horrible state of how you left it, you filthy animal, and turn it into a nice place where it's like, oh, actually, I enjoy being in this room now. And being able to take control over some areas of your life will feel fulfilling as well, because it's not something that we can ordinarily do all the time. Do you know what I mean? Now, this also leads into my other point on this matter, because I think it's important to be able to actually take pride in the things that you own and what's yours. My mum always told me that her mum, shout out my nan, used to tell her, learn to dance at home before you dance at the ball, or something along those lines. Basically, just learn to dance at home before you go out in it. That has resonated with me a lot more lately than it used to when I was told. You should take care of your immediate environments, and then when you go out, you'll be able to show the same respect to wherever it is out there. But on the flip side of that, I know that a lot of people, when they go out, they feel like they have to be more respectful, as you should. I think that with either point, you should just be respectful of your own home and your own living space as well as other people's, right? So yeah, it's good to be respectful of other people's spaces, as you should, but when you're at home, also be respectful of yourself. And that comes down to even dusting down your monitors and your equipment. Like this stuff, you end up paying a lot of money for it, right? So why would you not want to look after it and keep it in the best condition? Usually it just comes down to laziness a lot of the time, but dude, just taking a cloth and wiping down the dust is not going to take too much of your time, and in the long term you'll be much better off for it. So go ahead and do that stuff and let me know how it goes. Okay, so yeah, hopefully that helps, guys. It's just kind of taking back control of your life, especially when I know a lot of us can feel like there's a lot of things out of our hands, but there are areas where we can actually take back like control, because it doesn't have to be like that. Okay, And, you know, once we get the basics done, then we can move on to other things, kind of thing. Do you get me? All right, cool. That's all I really wanted to say. Maybe I'll make this kind of like a series, I guess, in the whole level up thing. Because thanks for all the support on that video as well, guys. Like, I've been reading your comments and it's nice to see. Well, not nice to see, but it's encouraging, I would say, to see that, you know, it's not just me feeling that way. And that's kind of one of the reasons why I put it out there, because I know it's not just me. And just show you guys that we're all in this together. Alright, like this video if it helped. Comment down below what you think. Maybe I'm chatting rubbish. I don't think I am, but hey, you debate me, bro. Come at me and subscribe for more videos. You get me? Zim Zimmer. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? Your friendly neighborhood Josiah Campbell. See you again soon.